Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. So first is first, you just have to create an account on Canva, and I just want to tell you that in order for you to unlock this one, you must be a Canva Pro or you must subscribe to Canva Pro. Now you can upload your videos here, tap on upload, add your video, or you can choose from any of their designs. All you need to do is to drag the video right here to the blank page. Once you have uploaded your video or once you have your video here on the blank page, and then you should see the audio section here on Canva. And as you can see, you can paste the script here inside the box. And you have two options below for female and male. You can basically change your script, you can add this, and then after that, select that specific speech voiceover that you want to select here. For example, female or male, you can also change the language if you want. But if you're looking for more options, again, you need to be a Canva Pro in order for you to do this. You just have to simply tap on the application on the left side. Here in Canva Pro, in the application center here on your Canva, you will see applications like text to speech. So all you have to do is to search for text to speech right here. You will see different applications, and all you have to do is to select. And same thing, you can type the text or you can paste the text that you want. So this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to open. And then basically here you can choose different voiceover type. So all you have to do is to select for female and male. And then after that, you can listen or preview, and then you can use this voice. So that's how easy it is to add text-to-speech to Canva videos. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.